place is always a mess. Trash. All this trash. When did you get here, Corey? Is that a cold drink?
Yeah.
Cool. You put it up in the fridge for a while?
Up.
Yeah, up.
Well, I just use the one down here generally.
Corey, we don't have a fridge down here.
Look, you just got one the other week, remember?
I didn't get a fridge.
It was like a massive improvement. Here, I'll get you one as well. Here we go.
Corey, that's the Xbox Series X. It's not a fridge.
That there is what everyone knows as is a fridge, and everybody knows it's a fridge. Look at it, it's a fridge.
Okay, Corey.
Clearly it's a fridge.
No, Corey. This is an Xbox Series X, one of the latest in console technology. It's not a fridge.
8:01 p.m.
Okay, so, Corey, look. It's an Xbox Series X. It's one of the latest in console technology. It's, like, literally, like, one of the best things out there. It's anything but a refrigerator. Shannon, are you shaving with a knife and drinking a cold drink?
Yeah? You got a problem with that?
No, where you got the cold drink from upstairs.
No, the fridge down here.
We don't have a fridge down here.
Yes, we do. It's right behind you.
That is not a fridge!
3:28 a.m.
Okay, guys, look. Alright, we've been arguing about this for 5 minutes. It's not a refrigerator. It is actually a console. It's meant for gaming, nothing else. What are you doing?
Cooking food.
On the Xbox.
Yeah. Actually, I could use some more heat. Corey, I could use some more heat for this.
Yeah. Hold on, I got just a thing. Yeah, you'll be burning right now.
Actually, I can help you out with that.
Oh yeah, we're cooking now.
It's a side duck.
What are you even cooking in that thing right now? Like, what are you cooking?
The spicy Cheetos.
Spicy Cheetos. You guys realize that they've been down here for months, and no one's touched them. Spicy Cheetos, eh? Spicy Cheetos, yeah, right. What are you actually cooking in there? Eggs?
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Oh, well, I think we're done.
I think you left them in a little too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you sure? They look a little fertilized.
Very fertilized.
Yeah.
Are you sure they were dead eggs?
I'm not sure if I want to eat that. Just looking at that.
Shall we?
I mean, can it be worse than the Mountain Dew?
Well, if the worst comes to worst, we'll just shoot it again.
Good option. That's always good.
I get first dibs.
I made this with Frost Phoenix. Alright.
Taters bloopers.
Pass the,
Oh,
Is that a peep?
Hello again, dumbbell.
My glasses!
Clap my hand.
Take it! No! Get it out! Get it out! Get it out! Get it out! It cannot hurt us anymore. So, who's up for Borderlands?
I am.
Okay.
I did the whole crucifix thing backwards by accident.
I did left, right.
Went this way.
Same here. Yeah, it is backwards.
Here.
Left to right, I believe.
Alright.
Taters bloopers.